नेपाल का सन, क्रिकेट का चढ़ता हुआ सन, रिकॉर्ड बनाएंगे बाय द टन। दिस फ्रेंड फ्रॉम नेपाल हैज वन माय मन। मेरी तुकबंदी पर मत करो फोकस, आई टेल यू इट्स एब्सोल्युटली बोगस। टुडे इन द हाउस नेपाल से आया मेरा दोस्त संदीप लामिछाने। म्यूचुअल फंड सही है प्रेजेंट्स बैट एंड बॉल।
Hi boss, how are you?
I'm very good, brother. Very good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Chalo, we then start straight away. वेलकम संदीप, वेलकम टू माय शो। हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। सी हमने संदीप को देखा, एक ऑलमोस्ट टीनेजर जैसा लड़का, दिल्ली कैपिटल्स ने उसको ऑक्शन में खरीदा। How was it in Nepal when you got bought in the IPL? क्योंकि you are the first person. I mean, क्रिकेट वहां पे पहले से भी होती है, आप हमारे पड़ोसी भी हैं, लेकिन आप पहले हैं जो भारत में आकर IPL के लिए आपका चयन हुआ. You were picked for an IPL side. What happened in Nepal on that day?
The auction was happening, but we were practicing on the ICC Academy, in Dubai. And our team manager, Mr. Raman Shivakoti, he was running like I haven't seen in my life running him so quickly before. So he came to us and then he told us like, Sandeep, congratulations, you have been selected for Delhi Daredevils in IPL. Everybody, like, they had tears in their eyes and people were enjoying, people were cheering, and it was a lovely moment to watch. Even though I was away from my country, but it was something that people were dreaming for a long time. Like, somebody from Nepal will go outside and play in different franchise league in different countries, and luckily got a chance in IPL.
Once you play in the IPL, the world knows about you. कि ये लड़का IPL में खेलता है, तो फिर all doors open up. You do well here. Sky is the limit. How did your teammates actually react to it?
I think there are a lot of talents who were supposed to get some few chances in different franchise league, but unfortunately, that was a great moment. Like, if I'm coming to IPL and if I prove myself, like, people will believe there will be some more talent in Nepal as well. If you see, after me, Sompal Khami and Paras Kharga, they played in IPL, in different franchise league as well. So that shows like the faith, the belief when you trust in somebody, in somebody's ability, and if he proves, a lot of doors gonna be open there as well.
Remember Michael Clark telling me about you and speaking so highly about you. Yeah, see this guy. Whenever you see him, he's actually the next big thing and all. Where did you meet him? You were actually playing for the same side. Where was it? Hong Kong? Where did you play and how did you actually meet each other? And why did he actually fall in love with you? कि यार ये लड़का बहुत अच्छा है.
So I'll tell you a story. So before playing for Nepal, there was like MCC tour of Nepal as well. So back in 2015, and there was a guy called Scott McKechnie who is now playing for Hong Kong. He asked me, "Hey Sandy, how are you, buddy? Do you want to play for my team here in Hong Kong T20, please, for Kowloon Cantons?" I said, "It's a fantastic opportunity, and I would love to play there." So after 2 or 3 days, he told me, there's one good news as well. So I said, tell me. So he said, Michael Clark is also coming there to play for our side, and like everybody knows, he's one of the best players to play spinners. And it was a great like moment for me. Maybe I'm gonna get a lot of things to learn from him, and we played a game there. We won the title as well. Then he gave me a bit of hint, like he wants me to come to Australia and he told me, "Buddy, I'll be following you, and keep in touch. If happens, I'll call you to play for my club in Australia." It was Western Suburbs Cricket Club in Sydney. So I went there.
और हाउ वाज इट इन नेपाल जब आपने पापा को बोला कि डैड आई वांट टू एक्चुअली बी अ क्रिकेटर और मैं पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करूंगा, मैं इंजीनियर डॉक्टर नहीं बनूंगा, मुझे ना क्रिकेट खेलनी है नेपाल के लिए. वाज इट एक्चुअली अ वायबल करियर ऑप्शन कीपिंग इन माइंड कि नेपाल का क्रिकेट का क्या कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं at the highest level and the kind of money eventually you're going to make? So was it a difficult choice? पापा ने बोला कि मत कर यार प्लीज, मम्मी ने कहा कि पढ़ाई कर ले यार प्लीज.
I was actually a good student, a bright student when it comes to studies as well. So my father, he wanted me to become an engineer. You know, every father's desire is like either engineer or doctor as well. So it was a difficult thing for me to select, like whether I want to go with cricket or I have to continue with my studies. But I didn't know about like what gonna be happening in Nepal cricket then. But there was a thing that was going in my mind. I have to become a cricketer. I have to become a cricketer. I have to play for my country. That was the only thing that was going on in my mind every time, again and again, like every day. And I don't know about what kind of money I'm gonna make from Nepal cricket or what are the things that gonna be happen in Nepal cricket. But I just wanted one thing, to cement my place there in Nepal cricket and to serve my country for a long time. It was like my first game for Nepal national team in Nepal against Namibia. So after that tour, Nepal Cricket Board got suspended, and there was no way for us to where to go or where to not, because there was no money, no nothing, and we have to rely on daily allowances. You know, that was only $50 every day. So that was tough time for us. People like there was only one thing fans also always believe in us. Nepal cricket fans are evergreen, like, you know, they are so crazy about cricket here. Like we went to play World Cup qualifiers. Before that we played in Division 2, and there was a historical game against Canada. Like myself, I was number 11 batsman and the number 10 batsman. We won the game against Canada. Like it was 44 or 43 runs needed for last wicket in 8 hours. So we did it, and then through to the World Cup qualifiers, and from there got ODI status, which is the biggest thing for Nepal cricket so far. But in between we had a lot of ups and downs, from money wise to system to everything. But there was only one thing between all the players, that was faith, that was trust in each other. I think because of that we are here right now.
Rahi hai. Tell me something more about Nepal cricket per se. How many academies are there? कहाँ practice करते हैं? कितनी academies हैं? Do you have indoor facilities? What kind of physios do you get?
If we talk about facilities, I don't think we're gonna match with any of the associate countries as well, because we really don't get all those facilities what other teams get, and we only have one cricket ground that is also in like poor condition right now. Only one cricket ground, one international cricket ground. That is also, I'm telling you, that is also in poor condition. And but slowly getting there. There's one stadium that is building right now, and hopefully it will build very soon. And talking about the practice scenarios, academies, I don't think there are more than like 20 or 30 good academies in Nepal. When I used to practice in my cricket academy back in 2015, there were a time I also saw like there used to be shortage of balls. Sometime there was used to be a shortage of ground where to play cricket, where to play cricket game. Even we are going to play any game tomorrow, like local game tomorrow, we are not sure whether we're gonna get a ground or not. Grand salute to all the players, because despite knowing we're not gonna get something from Nepal cricket. We are not going to get money from Nepal cricket and anything else. They are giving their 100%. They are practicing day out every day. So hats off to them and all the players.
Okay, so take me now to the Under 19 World Cup. You played and you took a hat-trick as well. Your memories, what happened that day, and just the World Cup, because that's the first big stage, right, where you're now competing with the rest of the world. Even though it's Under 19 cricket, but Under 19 is no mean feat. So, वो वहाँ ले चलो जरा कि you were playing in that game, you took a hat-trick.
We got a good start. We got a good start by beating New Zealand in the very opening game of us. So the very first game we played against New Zealand, we beat them, and then we had to play against Ireland, and that was my second ever game in my life, and taking hat-trick there, 3 back-to-back wickets, and I was running all over the ground, and everybody from my teammates. I've got some videos that. Some of the people, they put that video on YouTube as well, so you can see everybody, they were following me. I was like Imran Tahir for a while. We won the game against Ireland as well, and then Nepal was through to quarterfinals after 16 years in Under 19 World Cup. And we had a close game against Bangladesh, but unfortunately we lost against them and we were out of the World Cup from there. But luckily we made it to the quarterfinals, and it was a big achievement for us.
Your first IPL game, Sandeep, कि पहला IPL गेम आप दिल्ली डेयरडेविल्स के लिए आप खेल रहे हो. सिर्फ 4 ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं, और IPL का ये थोड़ा सा देयर इज अ हिस्ट्री दैट इन IPL व्हेन यू लुक एट द 4 ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स, you go from Chennai to Mumbai to KKR to whoever, and you will see that they are established players from the big test nations. तो वहां पे आंद्रे रसल भी होंगे, वहां पर कायरन पोलार्ड भी होंगे, वहां पर AB de Villiers होंगे, and you were one of them. You were like 25% of the overseas quota for Delhi Daredevils. This is your first game. It's full house. What were your memories? क्या चल रहा था दिमाग में? उस मैच में हुआ क्या? मतलब how did you feel?
When I got that chance, I was told you're gonna open the bowling as well. So I was excited because this was a thing that was very new to me, because before that I never opened the ball, never for Nepal as well. So that was my first over. It went well. Second over got Parthiv Patel out. I think I did really good job in the very first game. 4 overs, 1 for 25, 2 overs in power play, and bowling in front of ABD and Virat. I think it's a big deal when you bowl, and when you're opening the bowling, there are 2 left-handers in front of you in power play, and Moeen Ali and Parthiv Patel, who are two good batsmen against spinners. So it was a great day for me, and all the people in Nepal, they went on being crazy.
बॉल डालने जब पहला जो टॉप ऑफ द रनअप पे जब खड़े थे पावर प्ले में, जब नई बॉल पहली बार पकड़ी थी, तो लगा कि यार मैं अकेला नहीं, संदीप नहीं डाल रहा यहाँ पे बॉल, यहाँ पे एक्चुअली पूरा नेपाल इज एक्चुअली बॉलिंग विद मी. डिड यू फील दैट प्रेशर?
I didn't feel any kind of pressure on me, because I felt that pressure when I played for Nepal in 2016 against Namibia, because that was fresh start for me, and a lot of people, they were chanting Sandeep, 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 and I think that was not a new thing for me to take that pressure, because you always get that country's pressure is amazing. Whenever you play for your country, and if there are more than 20 to 30,000 people watching you, that's the biggest. The pressure of pride is the bigger than the pressure you take in any franchise league.
IPL happened, then BBL also happened, then CPL also happened. You've played now the circuit. आप regular T20 cricket हर जगह जाकर खेलते हैं. तो how do you find different teams behave differently, different leagues behave differently?
The hardest place till now I found like is playing in Big Bash, because pitches are so flat there, and you get there is a positive thing, like it will take a while for them to adjust with spinners. When you bowl quickly, sometimes they won't gonna read that, but once they're gonna read you have no chance to get away from this scenario. So a bit of a challenge I got that was in Big Bash, and because of those flat wickets, the bouncy wickets you get there, but I got some of advantage as well there because of big boundaries there. So you can bowl, you can take some of risk, bowl a bit of flight, and then you can bamboozle them in air as well. So yeah, Big Bash is fun.
Last we'll play a little game. Do you understand Antakshari? There is a thing called Antakshari. So I'll start with the run out T.
So you said run out T. So I'll start with my cricket ground, Tribhuvan International Cricket Ground in Nepal.
Fantastic. D. DRS.
So DRS, stump.
P. Plum like before. B.
Bold. D.
Direct hit. T.
Tony Island. It's a cricket ground.
Yes, it is. Okay, D. Drive. E.
E.
The ball has spun. It's found the outside.
Edge.
Okay, E again for me. E at Baston. I'm giving you N.
N will be not out. T. Team total. T. Yeah. So L. You've got the L. LBW. Wicket. Team. M. Maiden over. Ruled out. Fantastic. T again. Tie. So we have had a tie. That's E. Extra cover. Oh, fantastic. Okay, extra cover. R. Run out we have already done, no? R. I lose, you win. If there is a message for all the budding, aspiring cricketers in Nepal, what would that be from Sandeep? I'm a kind of person who believe in myself, so I would love to ask everyone, just keep believing in yourself, do whatever your heart says, and have faith in your teammate, have faith, have trust in them, and just keep doing the hard work until you achieve the aim, and be honest with yourself, be honest with your work, and just keep putting your efforts until you're gonna get there, and until you prove yourself. Especially thanks to you, sir, for inviting me here, and it was lovely talking with you here. Wish you all the best, and we'll see you soon bowling your leg spin and googlies and the flatter ones.
The Sahi Hai moment of the episode.
Like we went to play World Cup qualifiers. Before that, we played in Division 2, and there was a historical game against Canada. Like myself, I was number 11 batsman and the number 10 batsman. We won the game against Canada. Like it was 44 or 43 runs needed for last wicket in 8 overs. So we did it, and then through to the World Cup qualifiers. And from there, got ODI status, which is the biggest thing for Nepal cricket so far. But in between, we had a lot of ups and downs, from money-wise to system to everything. But there was only one thing between all the players, that was faith, that was trust in each other. I think because of that, we are here right now.